This video is about how to sketch exponential functions. So before I start, let's look at the basic shape. So over here, you see the first line is black color curve, and then a to the power x. A here represents any numbers, but then a is greater than 1, and then the power is x. So how I analyze is, when I see the coefficient of a is positive, coefficient of x also positive, so I know the curve will be bent this way. And then for this case, it will pass through the 1, y-intercept at 1, because when a power 0, you get 1. But then after that, if in front of a got a negative, that means the original curve will be reflected, then they will bend this way. And then for sure, they will cut through the negative 1. And next, if the in front of a is positive, or the coefficient of x is negative, so I know the curve will be bent the other way, like the blue color curve. And in front of a is negative, in front of x also negative, so I know that the curve will be reflected by, and then they will bend down here. Okay, so let's look at these questions. I have a function here. You see in front of e is negative, in front of x is negative also. So I know the curve will be follow the green color curve that I put over here. This is what happened in my mind. I know the curve will be bent this way. Okay, so next, the exponential graph must have a horizontal line that the curve cannot cross. So I can directly see from the function, you see here 1. So I know that the curve cannot cross y equals to 1. Over here, I denote as special line. Then I just put y not equals to 1, because I know the curve cannot pass through y equals to 1. Okay, all this is happen in your mind. Then next, you can count for intercept. Okay, for sure I will start with y-intercept. When x equal to 0, I substitute into the functions, then I get 0. So that means the y-intercept occur at the origin, so it means also the x-intercept is also at the same place, so I don't need to count for x-intercept. Now, okay, the procedure how I start the graph. First, I will place the horizontal line where the curve cannot cross, which is y equals to 1. So you can see I put a dotted line, y equals to 1. But in my mind, I will write y cannot equal to 1 because I know the curve cannot passing through 1. Okay, so I put the horizontal line first, horizontal dotted line. And then next, what I'm doing is, I know the shape roughly like that already. And then I also know the y-intercept, x-intercept occur at the origin. I plot first. Then later on, what happened is, I assume like I'm taking this curve and then I place over here. I place inside the graph. Then later on, I extend my curve. So roughly, this is how I construct my graph. This is procedure that I go through when I want to construct the exponential graph.